What's up guys? So if the volume button or the power button on the remote control of your Chromecast with Google TV is not working, in this particular video I will show you how to fix the volume button or power button that is not working on the remote control of your Chromecast with Google TV. Now to fix this, using the remote control, you just want to go over to the settings icon at the top right corner over there, and then you just want to scroll down to Bluetooth over here, click on Bluetooth. And from here, you just want to scroll down and then click on Setup Remote Control over here. Click on it. And then you want to go ahead and click on Add Devices. And from here, you want to go ahead and select TV. Now, this is going to bring out all of the brands of TV that there is. So what you want to do is to just scroll down and select the brand of your TV. In my case, it's a Hisense TV. So what I'll just do is to go ahead and click on Hisense, just like so. And then go ahead and choose whether it's the volume button or the power button or the input button that is not working on the remote control of my Chromecast with Google TV. In my case, it is actually the volume up and volume down button. So I'll go ahead and select volume. And now what you want to do is to go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction and watch as it will fix the volume down or volume up button or the power button that is not working on your Chromecast with Google TV remote. So I will just go ahead and click on next. Now you can now see that the volume up and volume down button works properly now using my remote control, and I am being asked over here whether it is now working. Now this is basically a self-diagnosis process, so what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on yes, it is now working. Now that has been fixed on my Chromecast with Google TV. Now if it is actually the power button that is not working as well, you can go ahead and select power, just like so. And then from here, you also want to go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction and then see as it will fix your Chromecast with Google TV remote power button that is not working. So I can go ahead and just press on the power button just like so, wait for 8 seconds and press it again. And you can basically see I am being asked whether it is now working, so I can go ahead and click on yes, it is now working. So that is how to fix the volume up, volume down or power button of your Chromecast with Google TV remote control that is not working. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.